Hello everybody, this is Mr. All here to talk about the Bitmoji classroom we're going to be using today to learn about the Pythagorean theorem. So if you're watching this video, that means you've already started our first activity, which is the instruction video, which you're watching now. So how this is going to work is you're going to go through each of these numbered items here, and it's going to go to a different portion of the lesson. So you'll start with number 2, which is me sitting reading this book, and you're going to watch a little mini biography about Pythagoras and his life. After that, you're going to move to 3, which is going to be a video explaining how to use the Pythagorean theorem to find missing side lengths. And then you're going to use that, what you learned in that video, to do activity 4. Activity 4 is going to be a game that has practice problems using this method, and you only need to do level 1 of the practice problems. You don't need to go on to level 2. You can if you want, but I'm just requiring you to do level 1. Number 5 is going to be a little interactive models of the proof of the Pythagorean theorem. That'll be fun using GeoGebra. You'll be able to move shapes around and things like that. It's really cool. And then up here at number 6 with the little space poster, it's going to be a little more of a complex topic. It's going to be a video about using the Pythagorean theorem in 3D space. It'll be fun. It's a video I made myself. And yeah, so that's all you need to go. I hope you guys have fun with it. Good luck.